Good day to all employers. My name is Darlita Faro from Philippines. 41 years of age, married with one daughter. I have 8 years working experience abroad as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. In my first employer, I have 2 years working experience. I'll do the household chores like cleaning, doing the laundry, washing the car, taking care of a young child and sending her to school. In my second employer, I have 6 years working experience. I'll do also the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing the car, running errands, and taking care of pets. I am also a caregiver. I just recently graduated and I have experience taking care of elder patient. I am a hardworking, dedicated, quick learner, and multitasker. If you hire me, I will do my best to do my duties. And I hope you will choose me. Thank you and God bless.